What is going on YouTube? Matty Ice here, and today we are talking about the AHSAA Class 3A reclassifications and my predictions. We're starting off with Region 1, and the schools in this area are Bayside Academy, last year's State 3A runner-up, Clark County, who dropped down from 4A to 3A, Excel, Flomaton, who jumped up from 2A to 3A, Hillcrest Evergreen, Mobile Christian, who jumped up from 2A to 3A, T.R. Miller, and Cottage Hill Christian. And all these schools are in the Mobile to Baldwin County area. Coming in at last place, I have Cottage Hill Christian. At 7th place is Excel. At number 6 is Flomaton. At number 5 is Clark County. And making the playoffs at number 4, I have Hillcrest Evergreen. At number 3, I have Mobile Christian. At number 2, I have T.R. Miller. And winning Region 1, I have Bayside Academy. Now moving on to Region 2, we have Daleville, Geneva, Houston Academy, who jumped up from 2A to 3A. Opp, Providence Christian, who jumped up from 2A to 3A. Slocum, Strawn, who dropped down from 4A to 3A. And Wicksburg. And all these schools are in southwest Alabama, and a lot of them are on the Florida line. Coming in at last place, I have Wicksburg. At 7th place is Geneva. At number 6 is Providence Christian. At number 5 is Houston Academy. Coming in at making the playoffs, I have number 4 Opp. At number 3 is Slocum. At number 2, I have Strawn. And winning Region 2, I have Daleville. Now moving on to Region 3, there is B.B. Comer, Ballou, Central Coosa, Montgomery Academy, Pike County, Prattville Christian, and Southside Selma, who dropped down from 4A to 3A. And a lot of these schools are range from Montgomery to Troy, Alabama. Coming in at last place, I have Ballou. At number 6 is Southside Selma. At number 5, I have B.B. Comer. Making the playoffs at number 4, I have Prattville Christian. At number 3 is Central Coosa. At number 2 is Montgomery Academy. And winning Region 3, I have Pike County. Now moving on to Region 4, we have American Christian, Carbon Hill, who dropped down from 4A to 3A, Gordo, Greene County, Midfield, Montevallo, who dropped down from 4A to 3A, and Oakman. And a lot of these schools are in center west Alabama. Coming in last place, I have Greene County. At number 6 is Midfield. For number 5, I have Carbon Hill. Making the playoffs at number 4, I have Oakman. At number 3 is Montevallo. Number 2 is American Christian. And I have Gordo winning Region 4. Now we move on to Region 5. The schools in this area are Glencoe, Ohatchee, Piedmont, last year's State 3A champion, Pleasant Valley, Randolph County, who jumped up from 2A to 3A, Walter Wellborn, and Weaver. And all these schools are all clustered into Calhoun County in Alabama. Coming in at last place, I have Pleasant Valley. At number 6 is Ohatchee. At number 5 is Randolph County. Making the playoffs at number 4, I have Weaver. At number 3 is Walter Wellborn. At number 2 is Glencoe. And winning Region 5, I have Piedmont. Now moving on to Region 6, we have Fultondale, Huntsville, Holly Pond, J.B. Pennington, who dropped down from 4A to 3A, Locust Fork, who dropped down from 4A to 3A, Susan Moore, and Vinemont. And all these schools are above Jefferson County in the Birmingham area. Coming in last place, I have Holly Pond. At number 6 is Susan Moore. At number 5 is Locust Fork. Making the playoffs at number 4, I have Huntsville. At number 3 is Fultondale. Number 2 is J.B. Pennington. And winning Region 6, I have Vinemont. Now we move on to Region 7. There is Brindley Mountain, Geraldine, New Hope, North Sand Mountain, Pisgah, Plainview, and Sylvania. And all these schools are in Northeast Alabama. Coming in last place, I have Brindley Mountain. At number 6 is Pisgah. Number 5 is Geraldine. Making the playoffs at number 4 is Sylvania. At number 3 is Plainview. Number 2 is North Sand Mountain. And winning Region 7, I have New Hope. Now we move on to the final region, which is Region 8. Schools in this area are Clements, Colbert County, Colbert Heights, Elkmont, who dropped down from 4A to 3A, Lauderdale County, Lexington, and West Morgan. And all these schools are in Northwest Alabama. Coming in last place, I have Clements. At number 6 is West Morgan. Number 5 is Colbert Heights. Making the playoffs at number 4, I have Lexington. For number 3 is Elkmont. Number 2, Lauderdale County. And winning Region 8, I have Colbert County. Now, for the teams that can win the state championship, there's Bayside Academy, T.R. Miller, Daleville, last year's state champion Piedmont, Gordo, which is probably favored to win it this year, and Vinemont. And that is my predictions and the reclassifications for this year's AHSAA Class 3A.